Hello students, myself Sipra Singh. I am going to teach science of class 7. The first lesson of your science book is food. It has been started, in which you have learnt about nutrition and mode of autotrophic nutrition. Today I am going to cover the topic heterotrophic nutrition. Here heterotrophic nutrition, in which plants which do not contain chlorophyll, non-green plants depend on other living organisms for their food. Thus the plants do not contain chlorophyll are heterotrophs and their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. Various mode of nutrition like parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic and insectivorous. Today I am cover one by one. First one, that is parasitic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which plants derive their food from the bodies of some other green plants and animals is called parasitic. The green plant or the animal which provide the food is called the host. That is host. Here the plants which derive their food from the bodies of the host plant and animals are called parasites are parasitic plants. The parasitic plants may be total parasites or partial parasite. Here some examples like Cuscuta, this is totally parasites, and Mistletoe. Other example, that is Mistletoe, that is partial parasite. Plants such as Cuscuta that depend totally on plant, so Cuscuta is totally parasite, but the plant which make a part of their food themselves by photosynthesis but derive other components such as water, minerals, etc. of food from the host plant are called partially parasites. For example, Mistletoe. Then this is fungi, saprophytes. Saprophytes, what is the definition of saprophytes? Here, the plants which derive their food from the dead and decaying organic matter are called saprophytes. Are saprophytic plants are saprophytes. Saprotrophs, the mode of nutrition in plants such as fungi, bread mold, yeast, lactobacillus, acidobacter is saprophyte because they derive their food from the dead and decaying organic matter. Saprotrophs secrete digestive juices on the dead and decaying matter and convert them into a solution. Then they absorb the nutrients from it. Here, definition of saprophytes. Then we come on next definition, insectivorous plant. The mode of nutrition in which green plants make their own food but depend on insects for nitrogenous food is called insectivorous nutrition. The green plants which make their own food but depend on insects for nitrogenous food are called insectivorous plant. Plants such as pitcher plant. Here this is example of